video, I will demonstrate how to stitch a badge onto a blazer. In this case, the badge has to be stitched onto a pocket, so you will have to unpick the 3 sides of the square pocket, leaving one of the sides to keep it in place. Then pin the badge and unpick the lining from the inside of the hidden pocket to help you stitch the pocket separately with the lining. Stitch the badge and then stitch the pocket back to the blazer. When finished, stitch the lining to close the hidden pocket and don't forget to iron at the end.
If this video helped you learn something, please like and subscribe for more upcoming videos in this channel. Comment down below about any future video suggestions. Click here to watch my previous video and down here to subscribe.